Tracking materials and supplies in any industry can be a challenge. But it's especially complicated in healthcare, where inventory needs constantly fluctuate. Inventory must be closely guarded and detailed tracking is required. Compiling to standards and dispensing as per batch numbers are very challenging. The goods are to be protected from damage, theft, misplacement and pilferages. Declutter brings you a complete solution to manage your stores, pharmacy and other departments together to overcome the above challenges. The merchandise received from suppliers are processed by store management software, which tells Carousel where to put the incoming product. The carousel automatically finds the positions and situates them on the platform so that the loading can take place. The main function of the carousel is to prepare orders for the different department in the hospital. The system facilitates the preparation of several orders at a time, grouping requests for the same products for different orders with a single movement. The carousel positions the product required in the head of the carousel. This system eliminates waiting time because while picking is being carried out in one carousel, the other moves to place the next item for extraction on the platform. The operator identifies the location of the product through the displays and pilot lights and carries out picking. The pilot lights in multi-order table indicate the quantity of the product to be dispensed into each order tray, and the operator once again validates the action. In conventional pharmacy, picking, speed and accuracy are critical. Processes are often slow and mistakes can happen. Pick-to-light solutions from Declutter help operators pick faster, more accurately with complete traceability. The PTL also works as a put-to-light system that indicates where to place stocks on shelves, enabling quick and accurate replenishment. If the stock reaches the minimum level mentioned, the ERP software would automatically send the indent to the store. Pick-to-light devices use bright colorful light to identify which bin to pick from, what quantity to pick, and then verify the correct pick with an integrated touch button. PTL offers 4 colorful bright lights so that 4 pharmacists can collect the medicine simultaneously. PTL ensures batch-wise dispensing, promising first expiry first out at the pharmacy, with complete traceability without any human intervention. Time management in operation theatre, emergency ward and nurse station is crucial. Managing stocks and orders in these departments for the clinical staff is one of the big issues in their hectic schedule. In the Kanban system, managing stocks and orders in the double drawer help nursing staff to dispense and order the product used in a simple and secure way. This system features the basic tool for placing orders, the RFID sticker. The RFID sticker contains the details of the product, its reference number, description, quantity and its location in the racks. Each product is assigned a unique location and the quantity of the preset level is distributed half and half across the double compartment. The nurse is preparing to take the different materials he or she extracts from the basket or tray with the product and helps themselves from the compartment which has a green sticker. When the compartment is empty, the nurse generates a replacement order. To do this, they remove the green sticker from the empty drawer and drops it into the RFID S3 box. The replenishment intent for that particular item is automatically sent to the central stores. However, the second compartment with the same goods is available for usage. If the second compartment also goes out of stock, then the user removes the red card and drops it in at the RFID S3 box, which sends the red alert to the central stores for immediate replenishment. The Kanban system ensures the right product at the right quantity at the right location at the right time. With the complete end-to-end solution from Declutter, your stores are synchronized and integrated with various users of the hospital in real time. We promise estimated overall savings of up to 30% on your inventory, 50% reduction in manpower, 100% traceability and 300% increase in productivity. We provide professional assistance starting from the design, manufacturing, installation, training and rendering lifetime after-sales support. With Declutter, you will be able to transform your storage and intra-logistics to next level.